Hello everyone, welcome back. Happy Father's Day. It is June, well you know what day Father's Day is. We are gonna do some fishing today. I'm gonna go to Todigan Lake, it's just down here. But I just ran into a buddy at the gas station. Sorry about the wind. I just ran into a buddy at the gas station and he told me there's a culvert here. This flows into where I was gonna take you guys originally, which I still will. And he caught a really huge fish here. So I'm gonna try here before we head to the lake. I saw the lake, it's huge white caps. The fishing isn't gonna be too good right now. So what we'll do is we'll just hit up some creeks and stuff that flow into that lake and hopefully we'll get on some nice fish. All right, let's go. All right guys, so this is where he said he caught the fish. The fish kind of gets stuck and pulled up in here. So let's see if we can get some luck. Right now I got on this. Looks like kind of like a bee. A nice trail in here too. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Got him. Oh. You see that? Two strikes. All right, guys. So I'm having some trouble getting my fly to the bottom. And that's where the fish are. They're hugging the bottom. So that's what this is for. I got a sinking tip leader. And let's see. Let's try it out. So how the sinking tip leader works is you take off your tapered leader. See how there's a loop on your floating line, and here's the loop on your sink tip. See? Just goes together like that, so you can get them undone. So after you attached your sink tip to your floating line, you got a loop. Now I'm gonna attach, I have an old leader, old tapered leader, and it's only about 4 feet. And that's what I'm gonna use. And if they're having trouble, I might cut this in half and then tie on maybe 3X, tip it. And yeah, we'll see what they can do. When in doubt, put on a streamer. Right? Got him. Oh. Fuck you. Yeah, yeah, got you. No, no, fuck. You see that, boy? Woohoo! Look, got him. What do I do? No! God damn it! Fuck, I got that one again. Oh. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I must have caught 5 fish and they all come off this hook. So maybe because the fish are really small, don't know, let's change flies. So I got lucky with this. If you can't tell already, I don't know the names of flies or anything. I'm pretty amateur fly fisherman, but I'm having a great time learning. I'm so glad you guys are here with me. Maybe you guys could give me some tips in the comments what I'm doing wrong. I also heard that you catch more fish on a fiberglass rod. Well, let's try a different streamer. So I'm gonna take a break from the fly fishing. It's driving me crazy, catching all these fish and not being able to land one. My beautiful daughter, she got me this for Father's Day, this white spinner. And they also got me this spoon. Spinners, spoons, I don't know what they are. But let's try it out. All right, let's see. My daughter got me this for Father's Day. Let's see if it works. All right, so I am gonna crimp those barbs on there because that is way too deadly. And those little fish, I don't think you want to keep them. So these barbs are way too deadly. So I'm gonna crimp them. See? See, so now the fish has a chance. Holy fuck, look at that. Way to go, Elwin. Yeah. Oh no. He's bleeding pretty bad. Oh, and he went right through the net. Holy. Wow. We caught one. We landed one and went in the net, and he was so small he went through those little holes in the net. Wow, that fish fought hard. Can't believe it. My daughter picked out a lure for me and it worked. That is so cool. All right, let's try to get another one. Holy shit! Look! Wow! Oh! Holy, look at that. Got another one. Look at that fish. Holy. Got one. Oh, this one's a good scrapper. Look at this one. All right, so we got on some nice fish. It's 4:20. Let's go to that place where I was originally planning on going. The wind isn't as bad as it was earlier. It's actually quite hot now, and yeah, it's about 2 kilometer hike, so let's go check it out. See if we can even get down there. All right. Hey guys, so my plan was to go to this lake and hike up the beach, and there's like a really big river that kind of flows, not big river, but you know, a nice river that flows into, it actually connects two big lakes. But it's super windy right now. Look. There's like whitecaps. There's like whitecaps right now. And also the waves are crashing on the beach. And it's like a 2-kilometer walk up the beach to that river or creek or whatever. So yeah, I'm not gonna do it. I might just have to come back with a canoe, and when the water is like just calm like glass, and then I'll go up that way. But yeah, this is crazy. I'm not gonna like mission my way over there. But also Iron Pete is fishing at Upper Nat Lake, and he's got a boat and he's with his dad. So I think what we can do is we can hightail it up to that mountain lake and meet up with Iron Pete and hopefully jump in the boat with him. So let's see if we can do that. All right, cool. Okay, we're here at Nat Lake. We're supposed to meet Peter here, Iron Pete, but he couldn't make it. I got a little GPS that I contact people with. They couldn't make it. We had some lunch. So I think I'm just gonna take a couple casts from the shore. I never get any luck here. You need a boat, I think, to get over into the nice spots, but let's see if we can get anything on the way home. All right. Good, you? Yeah. I'm not getting any fish. What's your name?
Jesse Kuhn.
And you have your YouTuber, right?
Yep.
What's your channel?
JMK Studio Productions.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Everybody watching, remember to follow him. How crazy is that to run into another YouTuber in the middle of nowhere?
Yeah.
And what's your channel about?
Hiking and
oh yeah,
mountain climbing, drones, FPV drones, just adventure.
Sorry about that, I thought I had a fish.
It's all good.
So you're an adventuring YouTube guy?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, hopefully some of my followers will jump over to yours.
That'd be sweet. Yeah.
Alright guys, that was an awesome Father's Day fishing trip. Wow. Ran into some cool people, got on some fish. Awesome day, hey Igor? Time to go home. Alright, see you guys on the trail.